Alright, haven't started this in like a week and a half. It's dirty. I'm about to go get it a wash, but let's do a little cold start. Nice. Turn off the lights. Turn on the digital dash for you guys. It's my favorite part. Here she is. So this is a 325E. It's got the 2.7 liter motor. This car unfortunately doesn't have the 325i head swap, so it only revs to 5,000 RPM. It's got a CX Racing turbo kit with a Turbonetics turbo, Turbosmart wastegate, and Turbosmart blow-off valve. The exhaust ends literally the fuel cell. It's pretty neat. It's a clean car. Looks like. Yo! Probably gonna be hard to see it because there you go. Touch the gas a little bit. Yeah, it needs to warm up a bit. It's too cool. Alright. That's shitty parking. Fuck. There we go. It's much better. That is fucking weird. Why does it? It's never. The lock has always been like a lot deeper pitched. Sounds like it's a fucking robot. Is that good? This fucking shit is dirty as fuck, dude. It's like at a weird angle where I can't flick it. Yeah, but I got it. All right, now it's fucking in position, bro.
Don't flick it.
Woo! Where'd it go? I think it's too soaking wet to fly, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, there it is. Damn. Let's zoom in, bro.
Kill it.
Nah, you touch it, bro. I'm afraid.
I said step on him, idiot.
Has to be done.
Step on him, he's still alive.
Nah, bro. Let him suffer, bro. Sit there and die. thing about this car, it's still got a working horn. Check it out. So it's a street legal car. Mind that I don't have any license plates on, just because, you know, I don't got any insurance. I'm not supposed to be driving this, but yo. Interesting. So look, the sound of the lock changed. See, that's how it's supposed to sound. But earlier it sounded way different. I'm gonna fucking scratch nothing, bro. Holy shit. Ooh. There we go. Well, look at that coat. Here she is, all cleaned up.